D part is the expression 5 plus 12x minus 2x square can be written in the form q minus 2 into x plus p whole square. Its part I is find the value of p and the value of q. First we will write it in the form q minus 2 into x plus p whole square. 5 minus taking 2 as common, so we will have x square minus 6x. 5 minus 2, adding and subtracting 3 square, minus 6x plus 3 square minus 3 square is equal to 5 minus 2 into, it will be x minus 3 its whole square and minus 3 square is equal to 5 minus multiplying this 2 inside the bracket. So minus 2 into x minus 3 square and minus minus plus 2 into 3 square is equal to 5 plus 2 multiplied by 3 square is 18. So 5 plus 18 minus 2 into x minus 3 square. Now 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 minus 2 into x minus 3 square. Now comparing it with q minus 2 into x plus p whole square. Q is 23 and p is minus 3. Minus 3 and 23 are the values of p and q. Its second part is write down the coordinates of the maximum point of the curve y is equal to 5 plus 12x minus 2x square. So it is written in the form 23 minus 2 into x minus 3 whole square. From this minus ab is equal to, so minus a is this and b is 23, which is equal to 323. Question number 10 part A is find the coordinates of the turning points of the graph of y is equal to x cube minus 12x plus 6. You must show all your working. At turning point, the tangent of the graph is 0. So for finding its tangent, we will find its derivative. dy over dx is equal to d over dx, and the function is x cube minus 12x plus 6. Which is equal to 3x square minus 12. And at turning point, its tangent is 0, that means its derivative is 0. So putting dy over dx is equal to 0. We will write here at turning point. Then 3x square minus 12 is equal to 0. 3x square is equal to 12 and x square is equal to 4 then x is equal to plus minus 2. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 cube minus 12 into 2 plus 6. 2 cube minus 12 times 2 plus 6 is equal to minus 10. 2 minus 10. And when x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 2 cube minus 12 into minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 cube minus 12 multiplied by minus 2 plus 6. This is 22. So coordinates for this point are minus 2, 22. 2 minus 10 minus 2, 22. Its B part is determine whether each turning point is a maximum or a minimum and show how you decide. And we will decide it by using second derivative test. First derivative is 3x square minus 12. We will take second derivative, d square y over dx square. This will be equal to 6x. And the value of x is plus minus 2. Now checking second derivative at x, d square y over dx square at x is equal to 2. This will be 6 into 2, which is equal to 12, and this is greater than 0. So at x is equal to 2, this turning point will be minimum. Minimum at 2 minus 10. And then second derivative at x is equal to minus 2. This will be equal to 6 into minus 2, which is equal to negative 12, which is less than 0. So this turning point will be maximum at minus 2, 22.